Jwala, you and Ashwini are the only women's double badminton player in India, and it's only you two that who've been to tournaments, you know, brought medals, and it's the two of you, obviously, who's gone to Olympics. Now, like we were talking, if you see it in a very positive context, of course you all deserve to be there, but isn't it a sad thing that it's only you and Ashwini who
sad.
always has to, you know, go there and fight it?
Oh, it's very sad. It's very sad. I really want that the doubles in India should grow. But, and I think if people think, well, that's why I don't know, for me, you know, I get very emotional this way. When I see my social media, you know, people tend to forget very easily. So the latest question what I have been hearing is, what have you done, Jwala, apart from coloring your hair and painting your nails? And I'm like, okay, what have I done?
People are asking you that on social media.
Yeah, what have I done? And I'm like, dude, go have a look, maybe, before you asking me this question, or you probably want to have a conversation with me, I don't know, or maybe asking for attention, and that's why probably you posting. But it's sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ashwini and me are the only doubles. I've been world number 6 in mixed doubles. Last year I was world number 10. In spite of having such good ranking, which nobody ever could dream of in doubles event in our country, I've achieved those rankings. I've played 2 Olympics. I'm the only Indian who's ever qualified for mixed doubles and doubles, 2 events in Olympics. So there are a lot of firsts which I have achieved, and I don't think it'll take me a long time to probably read out my wins and you know, achievements. But in spite of all of that, I've never been encouraged. I've never had sponsors. Li-Ning has been my only constant apparel sponsor. Apart from this, we've never had any sponsor. After we were world number 10 last year, we were taken in tops. After being world number 10. After that, OGQ came in to, you know, support Ashwini and me. So my point is, we are here despite of the system, and it takes a lot of courage, not only from Ashwini and me, even for our parents to withstand with us, like just to stand with us and support our decisions to, you know, take up sports or continue with sports. It takes a lot of courage.
So what would you say needs to be changed in order to bring up, you know, the doubles players?
See, that's what I'm trying to say. Even after having such amazing ranking, single-digit ranking even in singles is huge, right?
Yeah.
But the singles players start getting support even if they are 15 or 20 in the world, because we see a potential. Okay, she's 20 or he's 20. So now if we support them, they will go to top 10. So why don't we think about doubles the same way?
So you mean the same kind of support is not there even if you reach a single ranking?
No, obviously not. And that's my only, that's the only thing which makes me sad. And now it's just not about me, you know. I'm an already established player. Nobody can take away what I have achieved, really, no matter what anybody says. I don't really care, you know. That way I am a very confident person, and I'm a very proud person, proud of what I have achieved. But what about players who are looking up to me, and they look at me and like, well, Jwala did not get after achieving what she has achieved. So why should we even look at doubles right now? So if we don't have doubles, then who will play in the Yuba Cup or Sudhirman Cup? And we're winning bronze. Just Ashwini and me, just having Ashwini and me, we're winning bronze over there. So imagine if we had 2 other pairs with us, we would have been a stronger Indian badminton contingent.
If I ask you right away, would you be able to name like 2 other players who you think can come up to your level, yours and Ashwini's?
Right now?
Yep.
No, nobody.
So that's the stage.
I'm being very truthful. And I would challenge anybody come and contradict me right now.
Right.
Nobody. I stopped playing mixed doubles after London. What has been the result, really?
Yeah.
Who qualified for Olympics in mixed doubles? Nobody. And
So-
I'm not being proud about it. I'm
Right.
stating the facts.
Right. Right.
I know it might sound, oh, Jwala, look at how she's being, she's talking about, boasting about herself that, she's the only mixed doubles player, but that's the truth. I was world number 6. I played the Olympics in mixed doubles. Now, when I stopped playing, people say that, Jwala, you should stop playing and give youngsters a chance. I did not play mixed doubles. I think I left the mixed doubles. There should have been a younger team to participate in Olympics, and we didn't. So why ask me to stop playing, or why ask me to give way for youngsters when there are no youngsters, when there is no system for doubles in our country?
So this whole TOP controversy, and then I do know that
What was the controversy, Rupam? We were world number 10.
Yeah.
I was not in top
your
scheme.
name was not in that.
And
scheme,
a
yeah.
person who was not, there were 2 other people who were not going to qualify for Olympics. They were there in the
Right.
top scheme.
Right.
So what, did I create a controversy? No, I did not.
Right.
I fought for my right to be there in the top scheme.
Yeah.
So what was the controversy?
Right.
That me speaking up?
No.
Don't we teach our child to speak the truth? Beta jhoot nahi bolte.